This is the brief on the Realme P4 Power. Okay, so what is this thing? Just imagine a screen attached to a massive power bank, all designed to kill battery anxiety for good. And it's only around 260 euros. First, let's talk about the battery, because it is literally off the charts. We're talking a massive 10,001 milliamp hour silicon carbon battery. And even with that size, it still gets to 50% charge in just 36 minutes. It even has something called bypass charging. But the real kicker? 27-watt reverse charging. Yeah, you can use this phone to fast charge your friend's dying iPhone. Second, this thing is built to survive almost anything, but it doesn't look like a brick. It's got an IP69 rating. I mean, it's not just water resistant, it can handle high-pressure water jets. And you know how rugged phones usually have terrible displays? Not this one. It's got a premium AMOLED screen that hits a peak of 6,500 nits. You can see this thing perfectly in direct sunlight. Finally, the specs offer some surprising value for that price. You're getting Android 16 right out of the box and a pretty solid MediaTek Dimensity chip. Now, you do lose the headphone jack and the SD card slot, but the trade-off is you get a daily phone and a survival tool all in one. So yeah, the Realme P4 Power is basically a budget-friendly endurance beast. It combines military-grade durability with a flagship-quality screen and a battery that lasts for days. If you are tired of carrying a charger everywhere you go, you might want to check this out.